Yeah. Hello everyone, my name is Diptendu Acharya. Welcome to Mocktail Plaza. If you want to see some different type of new mocktail, you can like and subscribe my channel. Today I'll tell you one nice two-layer based mocktail. Mocktail name is Cranberry Blue Bridge. That is that like a two-layer based mocktail. How to make that mocktail? First of all, you have to take a shaker glass and you have to take 6 to 8 ice cube into the shaker glass. Then you have to pour 10 ml of lime cordial pack, and you have to pour 10 to 15 ml of bubble gum syrup, and you have to pour 10 ml of coconut syrup. Then you have to pour cranberry juice. Okay. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Shake well. Then take the tall glass, see, and pour all the mixture into the, see how the fancy color came, Cranberry Blue Breeze. Then what you will do, take the shaker glass and you have to pour 10 ml of blue cocoa syrup, and you have to pour the limca, and simply with the help of bar spoon you have to pour the blue cocoa mixing and limca. See how the fancy mocktail you can see. Yes. See, you can try this mocktail in your home. This is very fancy mocktail you can try. So this is the Cranberry Blue Ocean mocktail is ready. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.